The alert tone you just heard indicates that your emergency alert system has been activated. The Clackamas County Sheriff's Office has issued a shelter-in-place warning, which is in effect until further notice for Clackamas County. A train that was carrying several chemicals heading south had crashed near Clackamas County, spilling these chemicals into the air. The Oregon Office of Emergency Management requests all residents to shelter in place immediately. This requires you to stay inside, close all windows and doors, and turn off ventilation systems. Please stand by to local news media outlets for further information.